Ever found yourself in a situation where your GoPro suddenly gives up on you? No red indicator light? It's refusing to charge, and the screen is as black as a moonless night. Don't panic. Today we delve into 5 potential remedies that could bring your GoPro back to life. Step 1. A simple yet effective solution. Try resetting the device. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Releasing it should see your device restarting. If the problem persists, don't worry, we've got more solutions up our sleeve. Step 2 involves removing the battery and the microSD card. After taking them out, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Replace the battery, but not the microSD card, and try to power it on. If this doesn't work, don't despair. We're just getting started. Thirdly, it might be an issue with the charging cable or the outlet you're using. Try charging the device with a different cable or in a different outlet. If this still doesn't solve the problem, it's time to take things up a notch. For our 4th step, you'll need to update the firmware of your GoPro, connect the device to your computer, visit the official GoPro website, and download the latest firmware. Install it, then try to power on your GoPro. Finally, if all else fails, it might be time to contact GoPro support or take your device to a professional repair service. Remember, it's always better to let a professional handle it than to risk causing further damage. To recap, if your GoPro stops working, try the following steps. Reset the device, remove the battery and microSD card, check the charging cable and outlet, update the firmware, or consult a professional. Remember, these steps should be followed in order, and if one step doesn't solve the issue, move on to the next. In the world of technology, hiccups are bound to happen. But with the right knowledge and a little patience, you can overcome these minor setbacks. So the next time your GoPro decides to take an unexpected nap, you'll be well equipped to wake it up. Don't let a small glitch stand in the way of capturing your adventures. Now go out there and make some memories. Subscribe to Gallivanting Like a Royal for more tips.